For 3 generations, the Future Automotive Group has been Northern California's premier automotive dealer group. And here's another example of a great vehicle from our giant selection of pre-owned cars and trucks. And comes equipped with driver attention alert system, available Google connected in-car apps, pre-collision warning system visual warning, Google search connected in-car apps, moonroof, sunroof, anti-traffic, LED headlights, steering wheel mounted phone controls, lane keep assist, power operated rear trunk liftgate, exterior entry lights approach lamps, and much more. Every vehicle goes through our rigorous inspection and reconditioning process. And with thousands of cars, trucks, and SUVs to choose from, you're sure to find exactly what you're looking for. We hope you'll give us the opportunity to prove to you what customer service is all about. So give us a call or stop by. We're looking forward to meeting you, and so is your next vehicle.